SEROQUEL XR, quetiapine fumarate. Much remains unknown about major depressive disorder, MDD, and how medications work to alleviate depressive symptoms. There are several hypotheses for the physiological basis of depression. It is generally accepted that a number of effective antidepressant drugs act to enhance the activity of or to restore balance among one or more principal neurotransmitters of the central nervous system, the monoamines, norepinephrine, serotonin, and dopamine. The putative mechanism of action of some antidepressants is the inhibition of neurotransmitter reuptake from neuronal synapses. Unique transport proteins facilitate the reuptake of monoamines by presynaptic neurons, thereby limiting neurotransmitter availability for binding and activation of postsynaptic receptors. Reuptake-inhibiting antidepressants, such as SNRIs, may enhance the synaptic activity of one or more neurotransmitters by allowing these to accumulate in the synapse. Quetiapine is the active agent in SEROQUEL XR, which has proven antidepressant efficacy as adjunctive therapy to antidepressants for the treatment of MDD. A key question is, how might this atypical antipsychotic agent work to treat MDD? A deficiency in norepinephrine is hypothesized to play a role in the pathophysiology of MDD. The norepinephrine transporter, or NET, is a protein located on the presynaptic nerve endings of noradrenergic neurons. NET limits the longevity of norepinephrine in neuronal synapses by enabling its reuptake by the presynaptic neuron. Quetiapine's major active metabolite, norquetiapine, exhibits a high affinity for and has potent inhibitory effects on NET. By blocking NET, norquetiapine may reduce norepinephrine reuptake and enhance its synaptic activity. The exact mechanism of action of SEROQUEL XR is unknown. However, it has been proposed that the efficacy of SEROQUEL XR in MDD and bipolar depression may be partly explained by its action on NET. Quetiapine and norquetiapine display varying affinities for multiple neurotransmitter receptors. It has been proposed that the efficacy of quetiapine in schizophrenia may be explained by a combination of dopamine type 2, D2, and serotonin type 2A, 5-HT2A receptor antagonism. Antagonism at certain other receptors may explain some of the other effects of SEROQUEL XR. Antagonism at histaminic receptors may explain somnolence. Antagonism at adrenergic receptors may explain orthostatic hypotension. Antagonism at muscarinic receptors may explain anticholinergic effects. The proposed mechanism of action of SEROQUEL XR, a potent inhibitor of norepinephrine reuptake, may help to explain why it offers proven antidepressant efficacy as an adjunct therapy for MDD.